Hi, in this video I will show you how to create Blogger account in the mobile. So if you are looking for how you can basically create your Blogger account on your mobile, so watch this video till the end. In this video I will give you the two ways to create Blogger account through your phone. So first way is that you can open your browser and search for the Blogger here. Once you will search for the Blogger here, you have to click on the blogger.com from here. Tap on it, and here you will see a option create your blog. Simply tap on this button and give the more details of your Google and sign up on your Blogger account. Other way is that simply you will click on the application or from here, or you can simply go to the Play Store and search for the Blogger. So you will see it's directed me to Google Play. So you can go to the Google Play Store and search for the Blogger and install this application. Right now this application is not working in my country, so I simply, if I want to create my Blogger account through mobile, then I use web browser. Application is working in your country, you can simply create your Blogger account from here. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.